love my new setup. What do you guys think of the green? I think it just reads so well. I gotta figure out what to do exactly with my logo, but I think it looks pretty cute. Throwing on my 360 grip here. I'm considering not braiding my hair. I am traveling later today. I'm very much looking forward to that. My friend has never been to Palm Springs and she is a traveling queen, so the reason, like, the fact that she gets to go there for the first time and I'm one taking her there, like, I just love to give experiences and experience something I love with people I love, and then them seeing their reaction is just so exhilarating to me. So I think that that's going to be really special. Very much looking forward to that. To figure out what wigs I'm going to bring, because we are doing dual photo shoots for Nashville, our upcoming catalog, and then also I'll be bringing crowns that did not sell out from the last show to give them a little bit more love, and we're going to the Trixie Motel, so like it's gonna be just such a vibe and immaculate. We're doing the Wig Show recap for the crew, so none of the Wig Show wigs are over here, so we're gonna have to go head over there. So until then, Miss Zoe and Apricot Breeze, I think goes well with the cute little crochet moment that we have here. We're getting our steps in, so I'm going to grab my keys. I'm gonna take a little hot girl nature walk. So glad the rain is almost done. Not obviously quite yet. It's very much raining, but I'm not worried because my hair is gonna be just fine. Aubrey took Winston on a walk yesterday and he loved the puddles. Bless her, because she actually had a towel in her car, so saved us on that, because not only is Winston like a little pest to Walter, but a wet Winston is like Walter's worst nightmare. In-person orders ready to be picked up. My managers.
Got it, and she just walked in the door, so serendipitous.
Hello.
Fit check.
No, today.
Fit check. Look at this gorgeous show.
Ew, no, put that down. Put that down. No. Fun. Asia wasn't in
Yeah, ask Megan how to spell it.
Cool Town Queen.
Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah, she said this. She's over on the display rack.
Katie Gray Velvet. Katie Marshmallow Cream.
Lila in the powdered cocoa. She's a mono. We have Megan in Swiss lace. Michaela's are now standard and large, not petite and standard. We'll see little discrepancies on that. It just ran really big. So here's Michaela black, Michaela milk chocolate. This is Siler in dark honey dimension. Summer Zoe in chocolate ganache. This is Aveline in dreamy blonde.
Like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, just sold out. This is Caliana. She was the featured crown. The Katie's are cute. Yeah, the Katie's nectarine is adorable.
Yeah, that one. Dakota.
Yeah. I don't know what that means, but like she woke up like this, like brunette. Like, what does that mean? I don't know, but that's it.
Do like all the Katies have the same hairstyle, just different colors?
Yeah.
That's what the names are about?
Yeah.
Okay.
I honestly think she's my favorite. She's so cute.
Yeah, that one's really cute. Cute.
Is the amber ones? Is that what amber?
No.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
She's just Amber obsessed.
Yeah.
No.
Just wondering, how much hair do you have underneath there?
My hair? Have you seen my hair? This is my hair. It's kind of lame, boring.
You just like chopped your hair.
On screen, yeah.
And then she threw it away and Chipotle back.
Yeah. A customer called during this, and Mary's like, "Hi, Mary, Chelsey Smith Crowns. This is Mary," and I'm like, she's like, "Oh, okay." And yeah, so.
She has your hair.
Maybe a couple inches longer than this. It's nothing great,
Yeah.
but yes.
Around, it doesn't, you don't have a big bump? Okay.
Just kidding.
Yeah, for real. Watch it. Ta-da! It's a great party trick.
And if I don't know the answer, there's Amber.
What did they call it?
Yeah, the agents are on standby. You're the agent on standby.
Hi, I'm a loyal fan of Chelsey Smith Crowns, original crowns, LOL. She is the original. I wait for single ladies, girls to come out pretty much daily. Finding wigs in this community has changed my life and given me so much more confidence back. I'm grateful for Chelsey Smith Crowns and all that she has done. Thank you for all that you do.
Damn. Wow.
So,
Dang.
we always like to read a little friendly email, just because it really kind of puts it in perspective of what we're doing know it's pink boxes, and I know it's a lot of SKUs that we're getting out daily, whether it's, you know, you're stickering the wigs, you guys are intaking them in, or we're getting the orders out, we're rushing you to get the orders out. These boxes and these crowns change women's lives. They're going through things that a lot of us have never dealt with before, or there's these insurmountable things that they're dealing with, and putting a wig on their head makes them part of this community all of a sudden and feel welcomed and feel confident, and just helps them get through their days. You know, we recently had that event in Kansas City where we gave women the opportunity to meet up and, you know, meet their online besties and be in a room with women where wearing wigs is acceptable, and it changed a lot of their lives. And doing so, we've already scheduled our next event for Nashville in September, and we opened up 600 tickets and we're already sold out. People trying to figure out like how to get in, how can we be a part of this, because, you know, there's something so safe about being in a room where you feel welcome and you feel confident for being your true self, and that's what we are putting in a box for people. So whether you're a puller, a prepper, a packer, customer service agent, returns, who is going through it right now, media, inventory, single ladies, we're all doing our best to help and keep this company running.
And that is how you start your day correctly after Wig Show Tuesday.